These are my hobbies. To begin with, my favorite activity, especially when I in San Andres, is going to the beach. I love being in the water. It helps me relax and have a good time. However, when I get home, I tend to end up watching a lot of videos about things I like. This includes everything from law and mythology to UFC fights and, of course, a lot of soccer. Science interested in so many different things. There's always something new to watch. Furthermore, I also watch a lot of movies. I really like action and animated films. And for me, it's the best way to spend an afternoon, either at home or at the cinema. Although watching a screen take up a lot of my time, I also enjoy a couple of other things. Some weekends I go play soccer with my friends, which means I have a lot of laughs with them. Finally, as I finish everything I have to do, I usually put on music. Indeed, not a day goes by without me listening to it.